Love you, Aquarius. And this is your relationship card for you, Aquarius. And see your relationship message for today. And the card shows community. And let's see the message, guys. Aquarius, you have you are discovering the essential qualities that you share with another. Perhaps also those you don't share. There are times when you follow and the other person leads, and times when you lead and the other follows. The appearance of this card points to the importance of learning the proper dance between you and another. Accepting the truth that everyone has flaws is part of the dance. Yet you also being asked to be aware of the dynamics that you don't want to repeat. You're in the perfect place to make changes in order to experience the best version of who you can be together. And Aquarius, this is your daily relationship message, Aquarius. And I'll be doing a pick a card reading after this. Please watch out for the pick a card reading. Bye. Love you all. Take care, Aquarius.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, whichever pile you want to choose, you can choose the pile. Think of the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation before choosing the pile, guys. So, before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings happiness, prosperity, and success in all our lives, guys. So, let's start with this deck. This is the first deck, this is the second deck. So, I will start after a few seconds of silence, guys. So, let's start with the first deck. We'll be picking few cards from this deck. This is the first card, second card, and this is the third card. So let's see what are the cards here. Four of earth, six of water, and 10 of earth. So these cards maybe what you feel about your person or what they feel about you. And today you are thinking about your situation, guys, your past situation, maybe a few days back. You are simply yearning for those good old days, how things were there before, and you just want to heal the wounds that you have in you right now, and you just have some dreams or fantasies about that perfect beautiful connection, and you just are thinking that, hoping that you will get back to those days. Maybe you would have felt that deep love and connection, understanding with this person before, but today things are different. You are hurt, you have lots of stress today, confusions, doubts about this person. So you are simply thinking of those good times that were there before for you guys, and maybe the reason for the situation may be the divine working of things, guys. Maybe it is karma or destiny. That is the reason things are going in such a way, some kind of stress, some kind of troubles. So whatever your situation is, you are trying to build that strong foundation for this connection, trying to build that understanding. So when we face lot of stressful situations, lots of things, maybe some chaotic situation, traumatic situation, we will become more stronger. We will have that strength, confidence in ourselves, faith in ourselves. So we will know what is the right action. That may be the reason that you are facing lots of stressful things today. But I also see that you will be able to find that willpower, determination within yourself to see things through, and through your experiences you will know what you need to do. And maybe for some of you, you may see a light, a hope in the situation. So slowly these stressful situations are coming to an end, guys. That is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So for those who have chosen this deck, let us see what is the reading. We'll be picking 3 cards. So any questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it before I turn these cards, guys. So let's see what are the cards. It's Pope of Stars in reverse, 6 of Suns in reverse, and the Completed World. So these cards may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you, guys. So today with these cards, I see that maybe this person you are in a relationship with, they do not have that love for you, guys. They are quite selfish, and they are not loyal, they are not to be trusted. So they have their own selfish ideas or selfish concerns. They are there just to have fun, to make use of you in some way, and you cannot trust them, guys. They may even betray you. So this person may be interested in someone else also, and they are not having that true love for you. So that is what I see. And with this person, you may not share that great understanding, guys. Maybe the reasons it may be your destiny. That is the reason you would have thought of them as your soulmate, that understanding. You would have had that love for this person. But this person is not reciprocating that love or that concern, respect, and caring. So it just means that this person is our karmic destiny. For some reason, they are there to bring that growth and transformation in us, guys. That is the only reason this person is in connection with us, or we were in connection with them. So some kind of learning. So for some of you, you may have that learning, so you will come to an understanding about this person and let things go, take that natural course of action, and you may not feel disturbed about however things may go. Maybe for some of you it may go somewhere bad, or for some of you it may be something good. Whatever the outcome is, you have that understanding that this person is only there to give you that growth and transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this second deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.